Hey Brian, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I understand that you're having some issues when you're doing kind of daily activities because of the fatigue from MS and everything.
Yes.
So I wanted to talk to you about different areas of your life that you might be kind of struggling with as far as self-care, productivity, and leisure. So I'm just going to ask you a few questions about those areas.
Okay.
And you just tell me how important those things are to you.
Okay.
We're going to rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, so 1 being least important and 10 being the most important.
Okay.
So we'll start with self-care. As far as personal care, tell me about things as far as dressing, bathing, feeding. Are those things difficult at all?
Dressing and bathing are usually by the time I do both of those in the morning, I'm already tired.
Okay. And how would you rate those as far as importance?
Dressing an 8 and bathing a 9.
Okay, great. As far as functional mobility, getting around, transfers from either your bathtub and out of the bathtub
I
or
would
from your
say.
bed.
Oh, sorry.
No,
I would
that's
say the
fine.
tub transfers because I'm
Okay.
usually tired by the time the shower's over.
Okay, and that would be as far as 1
That
to
would
10?
definitely be an 8 as well.
Okay. What about getting around the community? Is anything difficult in that area?
No.
Okay. Are you still working?
Yes.
Okay. And how's work? Do you feel fatigued there?
Definitely about
Okay.
halfway through the day.
So, and that's probably pretty important to you,
Yeah,
right?
I would say that's a 10.
Okay. What about things around the house, like cleaning, laundry, cooking? Are those things difficult or?
Cleaning, maybe a little bit.
Okay.
I'd say maybe a 7.
7. All right. So how about things that are related to leisure? Are there things that you have hobbies or anything like that? Reading?
I like to exercise.
Exercise? Okay. So we'll put that under the recreation.
Oh,
What
okay.
kind of sports do you like, or what kind of exercise?
I like just to work out at the gym.
Okay. And how important is that to
That's
you?
pretty important. I'd say an 8.
An 8, okay. As far as socialization, has that been an issue at all?
No.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to list these top 5 issues that you're having with daily activities, and then we're going to kind of rate those too.
Okay.
So as far as, which would you say would be first as the top of your list?
Work,
Dressing?
definitely.
Okay. And what would be next?
I would say bathing,
Okay.
then dressing,
Mm-hmm.
the tub transfers, and then exercise.
Okay. And as of right now, how would you rate your performance in those areas on a scale from 1 to 10? 1 being not so good, 10 being really good.
My performance,
Mm-hmm.
at work, I would say is maybe a 5.
Okay. Bathing.
Bathing is I guess it's a 5.
Okay. Dressing.
Dressing's a little better, 6.
Tub transfers.
It's a 5.
Okay. Exercise.
Exercise is probably, that's definitely, I'm going to get a 4.
Okay. And then your satisfaction with these areas from, again, 1 to 10, 10 being most satisfied, 1 being least satisfied.
Work, I would say, would be a 3.
Okay.
Bathing would be 4.
Mm-hmm.
Dressing, I guess a 5.
Okay.
Tub transfers, that's okay. That's like a 7, I guess.
Okay.
And then exercise is I say a 3.
A 3. Okay, well, Brian, what I'm going to do is get these kind of organized together and see what areas we need to focus on when we start doing treatment. And then that way we can start to come up with other ways that you can avoid that fatigue so that you can perform these activities a little bit more easily. Does that sound good?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, we'll work on that next time.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.